VOGUE tires. Leather. 2006 Cadillac DTS Luxury 2 model, radiant bronze in color W neutral shale heated cooled leather seating, 4.6L NORTHSTAR 5.8 engine, clean Carfax. No accidents. Let's go over all the options. DTS Luxury 2 model includes heated and cooled front seats, heated rear outboard seats, multi-driver memory settings, heated steering wheel, XM satellite radio, universal home remote, auto-dimming DRVR, side mirror, ultrasonic FR, park assist, STABILITRAK stability control, brake assist, heated washer fluid. You also get 17 chrome rims, 8-speaker premium sound, all serviced up with a professional detail and ready to go. Come on in today and take this loaded up DTS for a whirl around our Chevrolet of Naperville test track. See ya soon. One low price.